Hi my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a drop of all of this goodness, that will help you to achieve your glass skin. Now the thing is that this natural homemade remedy is actually not a miracle, but of course it works so well when you're consistent and when you're also giving it a little time. It works really well and whoop out all of those dead skin cells, and then your skin will be glowing beautiful. All right, so let me show you how I prepare all of this. Do thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also like the video. Yeah, I said that before. Share the video. Now let's dive into the video. For this, we're gonna be making use of honey. All right guys, so in this honey you have to use the organic honey, okay, so that the full benefits of the honey will be gained. Okay, honey contains antioxidants, antiseptic and antibacterial property. It helps to get rid of skin blackheads, removing dirt from the pores. It then hydrates and tightens the skin pores, and it also gives you a clearer and more visible complexion. It leaves your skin really young. And the next ingredient will be egg. Egg is great in improving the skin texture. It also helps to dry out excessive oily skin. It is rich in fatty acids which lend moisture to the skin. Egg contains albumin, which also creates and help to tighten up the skin pores, and it helps to remove fine lines and as well as wrinkles. And then we're going to be making use of aloe vera. Now aloe vera is a great and natural remedy that works wonders for the skin. It helps to rejuvenate the skin. It helps for sunburn and irritations. It is a great and natural remedy for sunburn. Applying aloe vera on the skin would help protect the layers of the skin. It helps retain moisture, and it is rich in antioxidants which helps to heal or boost the healing process of the skin. Then we're going to be making use of green tea. Now green tea is a great remedy that creates a glow on the skin. It helps to remove fine lines and as well as wrinkles, and it also works in making your skin look really young. And to make it work even better, we're going to be putting in vitamin E capsule. Now vitamin E capsule, as the name denotes, the vitamin E helps in increasing the elasticity of the skin, and it helps the skin glow really well. It works wonders in rejuvenating and making your skin look younger. Alright guys, so we're going to be needing warm water. The first thing we're going to do is to induce the green tea into the warm water. Okay, so I'm just going to loosen it up and I put it inside this warm water. Now if your water is actually not warm, it's the green tea is not going to be induced quickly. It's just going to take a lot of time, just like you've seen right now. It's just an instant reaction. Okay, an instant result. Alright, so what we're going to do is to turn the green tea into this bowl, and this is it. And then the next thing, we're going to be putting in 1 tablespoon of organic honey. Now your honey has to be organic guys, okay? If it's not organic, it's not just going to give you what you want. Then you turn it and stir really well. And the next thing is to pierce in 1 capsule of vitamin E, and then you press that into it. After that, we'll be needing just the egg white of this egg, so you have to break in the egg and just put in a little of the egg whites. After that, we'll be squeezing in half teaspoon of aloe vera gel. The next thing we're going to do is to mix this and mix it really well. So I'm going to be using my manual mixer, and then I'm going to mix this and mix it really well. So the next thing you're going to do is to get an airtight container like this, okay? So you're going to put that into the airtight container. Alright guys, so this is it, and this is how it looks like, okay? So you have to store this. Now for this one, I would have to store it for a couple of days, of course, because there is egg in it, so you don't have to store it more than 5 days, okay? Now let's go make use of this. Alright guys, so here is the here's a remedy, here's a mixture, and here your large and open pores will vanish when you use this every morning, okay, before actually using anything, okay? This is how it is, and trust me guys, you would really love this, okay? So what you do is that you have to open this up every morning. Now you have to put it inside a refrigerator, okay, and then you drop it on your face. You drop it at the affected area, okay, just like I'm dropping this. You drop it and rub it all through that area, especially those areas in which you notice that you are affected by some large open pores, which is usually the T-zone, okay? Your nose area, this side and this other side, okay? Alright, so for me, I'm experiencing some dark spot around here. You can see that. Of course, it's actually because there was a lot of pimples on my face for the past months, and then that has actually gone. But this would also help for a dark spot. So what you do is that after you rub it or drop it on your face, you'd have to walk it through by massaging it into your skin like that. Alright, so after that guys, you would have to leave it on your skin for about 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, okay, it's going to like kind of get into your skin and really do the magic, okay? Number one is going to tighten up your pores, and it's going to help you to glow really much, and it's going to help to remove dark spots, which is what I'm actually fighting for right now, okay? And then your skin is going to be lighter, definitely. So for this, you would have to store it in an airtight container just like this, and then you would have to refrigerate it, okay? Now when you refrigerate it, then every morning you can actually use it 2 times in a day. Everything here is very, very mild on your skin, be it oily skin and you know, all of that, etc. Yeah, we have several types of skin, sensitive skin and all of that. Okay, you can use this. This is actually very friendly for you, and it's going to help you so much in, you know, removing all of those large pores, and your face is going to be glowing, spotless, and really, really beautiful. Yeah. So when you want to wash it off, you will have to wash it off with cool water. Okay, that will also help you to contrast the largeness of the pores. It's going to help you to clean the pores. Okay, because when you're washing it, you have to use a little bit of, you know, a very soft sponge to just clean, and then your pores is going to be cleaner. Okay, and your skin is going to be beautiful. Okay guys, so you've seen it. Drop this on your face several times, as often as you can, and in those affected places or areas on your skin, you know, and it's going to help you a whole lot to whoop out and remove all of those, you know, roughness, and your pores is going to be tighter, and your skin is going to be flawless, and all of those fine lines is going to be reduced. You don't actually wait to have the fine line before you use this. You have to use it, you know, even if you do not have fine lines. It will help you to prevent it. Okay, so if you did enjoy watching the video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share the video, and I will see you soon in my next video. Stay flawless, and bye guys.